Jackson, tell everybody what happened.
Actually, it just had a wreck.
I wonder if you could zoom in on that. That's awesome.
Daddy, look.
Jackson landed it on top of the... Okay, now fly it off.
Jackson, y'all still there? Jackson got a helicopter and he landed it on...
Keep going.
You know how we got those little pieces of...
Whoa!
So it's really narrow.
Okay.
He was able to drive the helicopter just enough to land it on that. Yeah, that's because these are really hard to control.
Watch. Mommy, watch this.
Elijah's flag.
I know how to make the perfect landing.
Okay.
Watch. Watch it go.
Whoa, it might need to readjust it. It might need to be recalibrated.
Mom!
Perfect landing, Jackson.
Oh, man.
Nice, Elijah. You're getting it down. Good.
Good land. Elijah just landed this straight. Just like that, too. He's getting a real soft touch here.
Nice, Elijah. Oop, concentrate, concentrate. Nice. You guys are getting to be good pilots.
Because we had one of these. Mommy, I changed my mind where I'm going to be.
What are you
I'm going to be a helicopter pilot.
That's a great idea.
Who's shooting?
You could save people with your helicopter.
Carefully go down.
That's excellent, Elijah. You have gotten a magic touch with it, both of you guys. You guys are doing great. Merry Christmas, Elijah Bear.
Merry Christmas, Mommy. It's the
Hey, Jackson.
This is the perfect Christmas for me ever.
It is. What about you, Jackson?
And this is the perfect Christmas.
Merry
ever.
Christmas, Jackson.
Wait, over there. That's the charge, Elijah.
You got to charge it, Jackson?
Yep.
So you love it? You got hooked up.
I know how to turn it. I know how to turn it.
Put the missiles in it, Jackson. Let me see.
It spins around when you turn it. Watch.
Uh-oh. Under the counter. Try again.
Watch this.
Hey, Jakers. You having fun with your train?
On him. Okay. Oh,